Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 122 of building the Back to the Future Delorean. 122, that's higher than any part work I've done has got yet so far. So, yeah, I'm quite enjoying it. It's good. We are fitting some more internal vents to the cowl. Like that. Screws on either side, nice and easy. Won't take very long. Then we are fitting the whole thing to the reactor thing, plugging in the cable tubes at the back, cables and pipes and things, and make it look like that, I believe. And then next time we're probably going to start the same on the other side. We'll find out in a minute. Continuing the reunion, obviously other people from the film coming back to the future, or in the future, or in the past now, but it was the future then when they made it. Yeah. Elsa Raven. Who was she? She was so the saving the campaign lady who gave him the leaflet, so he knew when to go back and do it. Yes, next time is the same as last time, but on the other side. So we'll get to that very soon, and continuing looking at the anniversary celebrations. Let's get the internals done. So here we go. We got 3 vents, labelled 1, 2, and 3, conveniently. Another bendy tube that's going to be fitted to that. And some screws, and obviously parts from before. Let's get these fitted first. We need the NP screws to hold these in place. We're going to be using multiples, so let's get most of them out. I think we'll probably end up using most of them. Put that to one side. Let's grab a screwdriver. And let's have a look. Number 1, let me double check to make sure it is, in fact, number 1. Yep, there is a 1 right in the top corner there that you might not be able to make out. But that is going to go at the top. Like so. There's a little ridge piece that it sort of sits onto. Make sure you get it in the right angle. So that goes in there like that. And we have 2 screws on either side to hold it in place. I'm going to get one in a little bit, which is not actually lined up. So let's take that back out and try again. That lined up with that hole about there. Looks about right. That's that one. Let's get one in the other side. I think it's probably going to be the easiest way of doing this. Then we can make sure things line up properly. Doing this one means I can get the angle wherever I like for convenience. Like so. Then we can get it tilted back to the right angle. Not a right angle, just the right angle. And we can get the other screws in place there as well. So that's that. And one on the other side. Let's do that one. Be nice and easy. There we go. Right, so then I've got to get 2 there and 3 underneath. 3 is only held in place with 1 screw at the rear. So let me do that off camera, and then we'll see about getting it installed. Right, there we go. I've got 3 screws sorted to put it onto there. But first it says to fit this onto there. So we'll just do that, like so. Worry about where the other end of that's going to go in a minute. So this goes onto here, sort of like so. But we need to manipulate it around a little bit and move those out of the way, because we need to get these all plugged in at the back there as well. 1, 2, and third one just about there. That works. Cool. Then we need to get these 3 screws in. We'll hold it all together. Hold that together like that. Keep the screw. We're going to need that. Turn this over while holding it, and aim. Get it clipped in place. not fully back. There you go. That's that. So let's get one of these in there. I'll do the others behind the scenes. I need to make these videos longer than they have to be, but that's that. We are then plugging some things in. What have we got? We've got the tube. Goes into that hole up there. Goes in. A bit like that. I can get that in a little bit better with a pair of tweezers, I think. Not going in there very well. Is that? It's not that. Let me just double check. No, it is definitely that. Play with that. I'll work and get that work in the right place. This one plugs in down there. It should be easier. Yep. There we go. That's that. And that is going to be it once that's in place. Just going to take a little bit of manipulation and maybe a little bit of squeezing to get that in place. But it's going to be about there like that. And I'll get these other two screws in. And that will be mostly done. Next time we're doing the same on the other side, aren't we? So we're starting off with another quick build. And then a week after will be one more of those. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying it. Do let me know. And I shall see you soon. Bye-bye for now.